You guys, look what I got. Okay, you can't really see, but it's a piercing kit I got off Amazon after watching Kaylee's video of her piercing her ears. And it made me want to do it because I bought a bunch of new jewelry during quarantine and I just got some today. Yeah, I'll be doing a jewelry haul soon. I should be working right now, but just decided to take a little break. And here's my third holes. Not gonna lie though, I am kind of shitting my pants right now because I am a wimp. Literally 10-year-old Michelle is on the floor rolling around laughing at me. If y'all know, if you don't know the story, maybe you want to go watch like I think it was my second video. Basically I was talking about how I pierced my own ears when I was 10 years old with a sewing needle. A sewing needle. Long story short, it didn't turn out good and I am just lucky to have my ears still attached to my face right now. So can't believe I'm doing this, but now we have a kit. Hopefully my ears don't fall off, you know? I'm sure they won't. It's so hilarious how it's come full circle for me. Literally, I was so fearless at 10 years old. I cannot believe, to this day, I cannot believe I used a sewing needle. Anyways, as you can see, I have my doubles right now. Actually, I used to have a lot more piercings. I even had my belly button pierced at one point, but I was scared I was gonna rip it out because I was pretty active during that time, so I just took it out. And I used to have a lip ring. You can actually still see the hole here, but I kind of got bored of it, I guess. One day it just suddenly fell out because the ring was loose and I didn't notice it until a lot afterwards, and by the time that happened the hole already closed and I was like, okay, yeah, I had it for like 6 years. I'm kind of done with it anyway, so I just let it close completely. I used to have some cartilage piercings. I used to have tragus piercings, but then my tragus area is not big enough, for like the way it's angled is not ideal for that kind of piercing. And then I used to have like a cartilage one, but all my cartilage ones I took out because I don't know if it's because of my body type or like my sensitivity, like it would heal properly, but then once in a while and pretty often I would like sleep on it the wrong way or something and then it'll swell up and then pus will form, and it's just not a sustainable thing to upkeep, or it was getting annoying, so I just took all my cartilage piercings out. Now I just have bottom ones, and yeah, I kind of want to get my third ones because they're still in the lobe area. I think that's probably my last lobe hole. Yeah, my lobe area is kind of tiny. Okay, at this point I'm just stalling because I'm scared. 15 years ago, I pierced my own ears with a sewing needle. Sometimes I just cannot believe I did that. I guess let's open this package first. I'm gonna go get scissors. I'll be back. I already washed my hands, but I think there are alcohol wipes in here, so it should be fine. This is what it looks like. They're literally just the ones they use at Claire's, I think. And I got these like gold diamond studs because I love gold jewelry, as you can see. And I think, yeah, all the new jewelry I got is gold. I'm literally so scared. I know I want to do it, but I don't know if I want to do it myself. You know what I mean? Like, I think there's something about piercing it yourself that's even more scary. Also, I'm a little scared because I don't want it to turn out bad. Like, I want it to be straight. And it's kind of hard doing it yourself because obviously I can't see it straight on. I just have to like see it in the corner of my eye, you know what I mean? Also, yeah, because I pierced my own ears at 10, like I did my lobe. Oh my god, I did 4 holes. Okay, this one I did myself. And then these ones I initially did myself, but because I needed to get some minor surgery done, so I had to pierce them the second time. But then the second time the piercer kind of, I don't know, screwed up, and this one's like lower than the other one and it's really bothering me, but I just have to go with it. I don't know. If this one becomes any bigger, I really want to get reconstructive surgery on my earlobe. I don't know, that's like so weird, but just I want it to be straight, somewhat symmetrical. Like I don't want one to turn out wonky. I'm scared. Should I do this? Like, should I do this today? Like now? Maybe we should just do one right now. Y'all are probably annoyed and laughing at me right now too, because I'm such a wimp. I'm telling you, the older you get, the more fearful you become, I feel like. So that's how it was for me. I was freaking fearless when I was 10. I don't even know. Okay, let's just do... Okay, maybe I should take these off. And I need a mirror. Okay, I switched spots because my mirror is here and it's just more stable. But I should probably take my earrings out right now. This is my good side. Looks perfect in terms of piercings. No one messed up. But then this side is the messed up side. I don't know if y'all can tell. Oh, it's kind of dark, huh? But it's kind of messed up because, first of all, you can see like a tiny scar. The second hole that I did, I kind of messed up because it wasn't pointing super straight, but I mean, it works. So far, I have just been stalling, if you cannot tell. Okay, first of all, we need to sanitize, obviously. I'm gonna do this ear first because this is the messed up ear, so if I mess up, it's fine. I feel like one of them isn't straight. Oh god. Why am I doing this to myself? Why am I such a wimp? I have done worse things than this. Let me cut this in half first. Is this straight? Y'all are probably so annoyed right now. That. Okay, let's do this. I need to stop stalling and just go for it because I'm a little wuss. Alcohol wipe. Always sanitize, guys. You don't want your ears to fall off. Seriously. No ears falling off in this video. We love our ears. We're not even gonna ice cube my ear, okay? We're not even gonna do that because we ain't got time right now. It's coming out. Oh yeah, I need to mark my ear. Why am I stupid? You can see I'm not thinking straight. I don't even know what I'm doing. I think I want it here. I can't really see. Let's take my phone and take a picture first. So I know I marked it in the right place. Yeah, it's right where I want it to be. I'm so scared. Are we doing this? Dude, I'm scared. Am I really gonna do this? No. Should I get my brother to do this for me? I'm so scared. I feel like I'm gonna faint. Why am I such a wimp? Is this gonna be straight though? I'm kind of scared.
No.
I should probably open my eyes, huh? I don't know if I want to do this right now. I feel like I'm gonna like faint or throw up or something. This is great. I don't know if I can do this. Should I? No, I don't want any distractions. Why am I such a wimp? Okay, Kate did this. I should be able to do this. Alexis did this. I feel like I'm gonna faint afterwards. Are you serious? I'm pressing it down, but just not all the way. I feel like I should just go for it. Dude, if you can feel my heart is literally pounding so fast. Dude, what? I did it. Oh my god, I'm shaking. Why is that thing stuck? It didn't even hurt. It didn't even hurt. Okay, wait. I'm shaking. It didn't even hurt. What the heck? It did go through though, right? Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh, I did it. Okay, it didn't go in exactly where I wanted to. Did it go through? Yeah, it did. Okay, cool. It didn't even hurt. Okay, I'm just a wimp, guys. I was shaking. My heart was pounding though. Can y'all see? There it is. I hope it's focusing. I probably shouldn't be touching it that much. Whoops. Should we do the other one too? Might as well, right? Dude, I gotta say, this is way easier than doing it with a sewing needle. Way easier. Alcohol wipe. I feel like it's hard to look in the corner of my eye. Like, my eye has to constantly go like this, and then I can't even see properly afterwards. This is what it looks like. It just has like a spring inside. and then you just, dude, I can't believe I did that. I hope it looks good. Wait, let me take a picture. Okay, let's take a picture of this hole to see if it's where I want it to be. That is where I want it to be. If you can see that little tiny dot. Here goes nothing. I did it once, I can do it again. You got it? Is it straight? So my trick is to have the pointy tip right on the dot, and then you kind of push backwards, if that makes sense. Like you push more this way than this way. You know what I mean? So then you can ensure that this goes in directly to the hole. Okay. It's kind of dark on this side, so I'm gonna switch. Oh, am I still scared though? 1, 2, no, 3, 2, wait, 3, 3, 2, 1. Oh shoot, it didn't go through. There we go. Oh. Okay, this one hurt a bit more because it took a little longer for me to do. And now it's stuck. What the heck? Why is it stuck? It's stuck. Okay. Sometimes it's kind of finicky, so you just have to like do it. And if you can't do it right away, maybe get someone else to do it for you. I cannot believe I did that. This one hurt a little bit more because it took me too long. And then it has this like white clear thing. Basically, it's just 2 halves that holds the ring, so you just gotta take it off. Wait, what? Did it even go through? Okay, it did, but it's like, oh, got you. I feel like maybe I didn't push all the way. Oh my god, I did it. I don't even know if it's even. I can't really tell right now. I don't know, my earlobes are really tiny, so... No, it looks fine, I think. Oh my god, that took like half an hour because I was a wimp. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Yes, here it is. Here it is. That's it for this video. If you do decide to do this at home by yourself with that kit, just try to be confident and just do it at once so it doesn't hurt as much. Or it doesn't hurt. Like this one didn't even hurt, but this one, I feel like I didn't push all the way the first time. It hurt a little bit, but it's really not that bad. And if you're too scared to do it yourself, which is very understandable, get someone else to do it. And it's mowing the lawn day, so sorry about that. I don't know, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, and it only costed like 10 bucks for the kit and just a little bit of girl power, you know? Thank y'all for watching. Obviously, I don't really condone doing this yourself, but if you do, just try to be safe and do it if you're only confident in doing it yourself. Remember to sanitize everything. Wash your hands before do the alcohol wipes, all that. Go through proper aftercare as well. Clean it regularly with alcohol, and yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video of me being a wimp for like 15 minutes straight, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.